This is a used 2013 Volvo S60. It's powered by all-wheel drive, a 3-liter, 6-cylinder engine, and a 6-speed automatic transmission. With fewer than 5,000 miles, this vehicle is like new. The features include a turbocharger, a power sunroof, leather seats, heated seats, a HomeLink system, Bluetooth connectivity, Sirius XM satellite radio, digital audio input, steering wheel controls. Safety was made a priority with these features: a backup camera, curtain head airbags, side airbags, rain sensing wipers, independent suspension, brake assist, traction control, stability control, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information. Great quality at a great price. Call or click to contact us today.